So I have to just join the class, um, which my master trainer has created, and here I see that I have an assignment posted by my teacher. So my teacher is Anai Kamath and classmates are Maya. However, let me go to the classwork, and I have a simple test over here which I have to answer. Yeah, and it asked me to put in my email, so I shall put in my email. uh, all right, so what is 2 plus 2? I'm purposely going to just fail this quiz. Not that my maths is bad, however I'm choosing the answers from here. So since I have not performed well for the test, my teacher, he returns my test. Okay, so now he has returned my test. Now I need to see what I can do. So let's see about that. Just give me a moment. Here, and I am here, and since my teacher has returned it, right, I have an option to answer it again. So let me answer it again. I put my details and I try to answer it. Just divide 3 4, click on. Okay, so I missed this, right? So my teacher is saying that I have not answered this, so please answer this. Yeah, right. So yeah, so response submitted and assignment marked as done, right? So that's about it. So I have this. If I want to edit something, I can do that, but however I go here, and yeah, my quiz has been recorded. So if I go to my demo class, okay, if I go to my demo class, so this has been recorded. However, which if you have any issues and you feel it's not getting recorded, please make sure that you that previous button was there, like submit. You have to click on that, mark as done. Now if you wanted to redo, you could have unsubmitted, you know done this, done this again, click on submit. Okay, and come here, right, come here and say mark as done. You have to do this, mark as done, right? So you will not be able to check your score, you will not be able to view your score unless your teacher releases your score to you. Yeah, so you have to keep that in mind and take the quiz, right? So I'm hoping this is going to clear your doubts. So once your teacher releases your scores, your entire test is out of 45. So whatever, you'll get some 20 out of 45, 30 out of 45, depending on how many correct answers you have got. So there is a threshold set. If you score below that threshold, you'll have to retake your test. Yeah, so that's about it. Thank you so much.